Hello, what's going on everyone? This is Pure Ace 23 here, and for today's video, I just wanted to make a quick video about this little bondage belt I made here. So if you saw my video about my battle jacket, you would have seen that I definitely love me some psychobilly music. And as a result, time has gone on, the more I listen to it, the more I'm getting more and more into like the styling and everything. So I do have days where I'm leaning more towards doing psycho things and looking more like a greaser. And, you know, if you're going to do psychobilly, it's typically more of a punky look. So as a result, I thought one thing that would be pretty cool to add to the wardrobe would be a bondage belt. But instead of buying one like a normal person would, I ended up making one. So the video I got inspiration from to make this was from Reptile D.I.Y. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description of him making a bondage belt. I pretty much took the basis of what he did and just added my own little twist on it, of course, because with his, it was just straight up bondage rings, simple as that. It was two already pre-made belts that he got from like a thrift shop, put together, put some rings on it, simple as that. But for me, because I am the way I am, I decided to get like full-on leather strips from tandyleather.com, and I added on bullets and the chains and stuff, and I also added on Chicago screws, so that way I would be able to have an interchangeable buckle. But I mean, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Could it be a little bit cleaner and better? Definitely, but at the end of the day, getting to be able to say I made this is good enough for me, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna leave a link to his channel, or at least to that video, so you can check it out and see some more of his stuff. He does a lot of awesome DIY projects. I'll also leave a link in the description just to my friend Ghost_932, who released a video about his bondage belt about a year or so ago. Just as a shout out to him, because, you know, my boy needs some views, so get him those views. So like I said before, these are two strips of leather from tandyleather.com. I think this one's like an inch and a half, and the other one's just a straight inch. Also, like I said, we got Chicago screws here, also from Tandy Leather. So I could have an interchangeable buckle, which I got from Etsy. Flashy, but kind of not flashy in a weird way. I just thought it looked really nice, so I just added it on there. And then, of course, the jewelry. I got a bunch of these quick links from my job, along with this long length of chain. The rivets I also got from tandyleather.com. And I got the bondage rings and the chrome bullets from studsandspikes.com. And over a course of a few days, just because, you know, I've been stuck at work lately doing overtime and all that type of stuff, so it took me longer to make this than some other people might have, not to mention just adding all this extra crap on it. It took me a couple of days, but I'm pretty happy with the end result. It's a little bulky and heavy, as you'd expect with all this crap on it, especially because of the fact that, you know, it is just one continuous length of chain connected only by these quick links. But I'm pretty happy with it. Anytime you get to be able to wear something out and say you made it, it's always just a great feeling. Alright, so that's pretty much all I had for you guys today. Just wanted to show you that really quick. Put some links in the descriptions. So other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Leave a like and a comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see all you guys next time.